Kenyam de largest large. Kajan guas me chan no kolongo obey nyot introduction ko computer mulodamo. Balat ke both language, English and Nuer. Computer chalaro jen a machine dio chireka yet. Do no jen a yet me to riet. Kariet to kariet tishare leka ba kula to ko computer. Misha kula kan kariet to chaka to ko computer yo. Be computer ba ko gor. Misha ka gor kariet chala the computer ba ka nyok o no nyok. Bana ka kula benen ketin kon tinchi computer kato. Chirgo tam misha wo kel mi made kana kel. Mikel made kana kel tam chirga te chala rech. Kuje le goro bi lot kel kana kel shamat ki diok kana diok te shamat bi rizole ki lode bi jak. Alor bu no ngoyo jen kwala ju kwa yilo ju ga men chupen che kel me de kel ba u per go mu per kero. Ka lode ka to kwa ne la ja la ko to computer is an electronic device or machine that accept data, store data, process the input, and produce the output. The data that computer are storing, we call them, they are raw fact material that do not make any sense to us. Those materials, they could be symbol, image, or name of a person, or anything that you don't understand. Karietin kon tin chala ka computer kan chwale data. Kariet to watele ka lot ka kon eti. Enemi chi kon mudin kulo latin. Koriet to watele ka lot waken chwal ka data ka to kwaine. Kan data nti ke kariet ti yo me sha kunu ngwa kel. Dere na tuogo to chiga de ngajiram kwana kep. Mikuji shoda. And mikuji shoda. And mukuji and read ni jana lo shere menchale phrase. Alo tele meaning. Ko kujia jin mukuji turida kanya manen. And mukuji and read lo tele lot kaji gwam. So I become data. So data are simply things that you don't understand or things that I don't understand. We call them, they are data. Data are simply raw fact material that do not make any sense to human being. Anything that you never see or you never touch or you never come across with, we call it is a data. After we convert those data or we change them, the data that do not make any sense, we call them, they are information. If we convert them and we translate them and we can make a decision on those data that we converted, they can be information. Can information be can create in content chakulo ogea. Cheta mchawo to chanko danga. Mchawo chanko a dol. Cheta kalo rata mko chanko cha specified. Chanko la demu chanko de ngij. Nika nem lar no chanko kwa kejan. Ke don cha chanko de laro name simply. Shunga ka shura ma changa. Duno yo mi cha lar shur ba ko mo ke shur pin goma be sense be kula mek. Wa kan data na ke read content cha lingaran tin cha ngajaran. Ka kana ka manga ke ken turan ken minen. Mi shi kula ngajo jen nga kana me waramo ke no mo ba ko chole information. Ba ko chole mu e read murung ke roj. Ke bula kona chole message. Roj dan cha no ba ko chole message ke information. So information are simply the data that we converted and we translate them so that we can make a decision, so that they can make available information. Anything that you can make a decision on, anything that can allow you to answer when, where, or how it happened, we call it is information. After we have the information, what can we do with the information? What do you have to do with the information that you have at hand? Jiran phone mi shiyonga jo na me information and tama. Shiyonga ina me riet ki roine. Don't charging near chitok. Kentin content chukulanga bikelele di. Right, take it. What are you going to do with the information? That's the question.